On tips, today I show you how to create an overlay progress bar in Google Sheets. Alright. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Google Sheets and open your project or create new project and write value count, right, and write first formula and formula and sum b3 b8 slash count double b3 b8, enter and click on percent, right, and write to formal and sparkline and write b10 open chart type and bar max 100%. One moment. Yes, delete and color one, green, empty, and one. Green, empty, zero. Oh, yeah. Yes. Nice. Zero. Close. Close. And press enter. And progress bar. Create. And change value. 150%. Oh, okay. And crazy. Enter. Alright. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.